Hey fan collectors out there, it's Rick here, and I'm very happy because I finally got my Emerson Heat Fan wired up. Here it is. I built a wooden box for the fan motor to sit on top of. The down rod and the mounting stuff is inside there so it won't fall, and then it can sit upside down like that so I can actually run it like I did with my USON Crest and all those. So here it is, 4 plastic wood grain blades. And then on the switch housing, I just put a piece of tape to hold the chain from getting caught in the blades while it's going. And it's a 2-speeded fan. It moves a lot of air. I mean, I'm blown away, literally, by how much air it moves. The amount of air it moves on like medium is about that much. This is my end condos on high. And then on high, it's just like a gust, which is really neat. So. It's, like I said, just 2 speeds, high and medium. So, alright, I'll start with medium. It's absolutely silent, too. Yeah, it moves a lot of air, even on medium. And obviously this fan's not reversible. And there's what it pretty much would look like if it was installed. Alright, and here's high. I mean, this is a monster of a fan. High speed moves a ton of air. Even I'm surprised for such a small fan too. Only 36 inch. You can even hear the whirring. Okay, so there you have it. My Emerson Heat Fan I finally got from Brian Hicks. There's a K55 motor, and 2-speed, like I said, 4 plastic blades. And this is a Heat Fan with a switch housing, which I like that better than the ones without a switch housing. And 36-inch fan. I'm guessing this is probably from about 1980, give or take a little. So, and it's in brown. And alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more fan videos to come. Bye.